Hey Neil, what we doing this morning, buddy?
Catching catfish.
We're in Bell Buckle, Tennessee.
Yeah.
We're up here at the Kids Fishing Rodeo, first annual. We're fishing to go get set up right now.
Hi there, I'm Jerry Lokey from Cat Daddy's Fish Farm. This is Marilyn Mose. We own this farm together and we're having a fish rodeo today, and we want to thank everybody for coming. And thanks to all our sponsors. It's too many sponsors to mention altogether, but we do this. We're going to do it for every year for the kids.
Lines in, boys. Hey, turn around the camera. Look at that, buddy. This one kick back over, bud. You're right where
Good job, buddy. Is that your first catfish?
Yep, it's the first catfish.
Congratulations.
I got one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh! It's a play. That ain't no channel. This dude got a fish. It's a big fish. Oh, that's so cool.
Our first fish here.
Now,
Hold him up right there. Good job, man.
get around the corner. That's a cow.
There you go, boy. Good job.
You got it rolling? Good job, man. Good job.
Is it Bill Dance or what's your name?
What?
How long you been fishing, buddy?
For a long time.
I can tell you know what you're doing. All right.
She's drawing.
He's drawing for the pole.
First drawing for a pole, rod and reel. Get your tickets out.
Okay, there you go.
Could win you a new pole, buddy.
All right.
All right. What you got there? A new fishing rod? Ain't that awesome?
Yes.
All right, get back over and catching them now.
This one?
What do you
All
say?
right.
So
Thank you for coming.
All right. Good
thank you,
job,
ma'am.
buddy.
Thank
What's
you.
your pole?
Good job, little buddy.
Look. Show them your rod.
All right.
Tell me your name.
Isaiah.
All right, Isaiah. Good job, buddy. Got you a good pole.
You want this
You
one?
want the blue one?
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Give me 5, girl. All
Good
right.
job.
Oh, watch that hole. Watch that hole.
He will.
She just caught a fish. Get a little girl.
Isn't that sweet?
Oh, wow.
Come on, Nealon, over here and get you something, buddy.
All right, baby, I'm going to give
Over
you
here.
a choice. Do you-
All right, get back over and catch you one, buddy. What's your name?
Jackson.
All right, Jackson. Good job, buddy.
Thank you, guys.
Justice.
All right, Justice. Thank you, buddy.
He's one of our locals.
All right. There you go. Austin, thank you for coming, Austin.
Good job.
What you got there? Gonna get you the red pole? All right.
Walker, thank you, Walker, for coming. You have to
hang
hang
on
on
there.
to that, okay?
Doing a great job, brother.
I see a 4.
438.
4.38.
What'd you catch him on, Bryson?
You want to hold him? We'll get a picture.
You want to hold him? You want me to hold him? Like this?
All right, guys. Good fish.
2.45.
445. All right. You want
What's your
a
name?
picture taken?
Wyatt.
Wyatt.
You want to hold him?
Come on, Wyatt.
Billy.
Just hold him right across.
Good
like I
fish,
got him
buddy.
right there. There you go.
Just hold him.
There's the man right
All
there.
right.
That's the man.
Thank you, buddy.
Lay him up there. Let me see what we got.
Yeah.
830.
8:30. What's your name?
Put a big smile on your face.
All right.
There you go, buddy.
Hold him.
Hold him up here.
I got him. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah, lay him in there. Every
Calm
time.
down, calm down, calm down.
2-2.
2-5. Already, hasn't
All right, we got a good one here.
it? Yeah, it does.
Hi, baby.
886. You had your big belly on.
All right.
One right now.
All right.
Get up there, hold up here. How big is your
That'll
fish,
be
Sissy?
8.5.
How big is he?
I say 7 pounds.
Well, shoot. 625.
They get on my line, I'm afraid I have to run.
I heard that.
Are you in total weight or biggest fish?
880.
880.
Good job, buddy.
Wyatt?
All right, buddy. Good job.
$485.
485.
All right.
485.
Could be the lead.
All right.
Okay, bro.
Came out of the net.
Be careful. Take care of that baby.
Yeah. He won't be in the
That's
way.
wrapped around him. You're gonna have to pick him up by the fish. 628.
What the?
Here.
Good job.
Son, you're going to have to let somebody else catch one.
I told you if it comes across my line, I'm getting it.
Yeah, but they're getting smaller. They need to get bigger. Calm down. 209.
We're here with the youngest age group, first, second, and third. And believe it or not, guys, this is the one that caught the biggest fish right here, first place. What's her name?
Her name is Wilder. Her fish was 6.8 pounds.
6.8 pounds. Yours? What's your name, buddy?
Luke.
Who?
Luke.
Luke. Okay, Luke.
Yep.
And you, how big was your fish?
3 1/4.
3 1/4 pounds. Good job. How big was your fish? What's your name first of all?
Holden.
Holden? Your fish weighed what?
2.2 pounds.
2.2 pounds. Great job. Y'all enjoy yourself?
Absolutely. It was a blast.
Good job, brother.
Good job, guys.
Thank y'all for having us. Check
Good
in.
job,
Good
baby.
job.
All right, what was the fish you caught your first place? How big was it?
I caught a catfish that was 8.88 pounds.
Pounds. Good job, good job.
And I came in second place with a catfish at 880.
What's your name?
White Young.
Yours?
Make sure you show it, okay?
All right.
I came in at third place with a catfish weighing 3.47.
They done awesome. They done a good job. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Y'all ready to catch some more later?
He's there. Can you have a drink?
Good job, guys. Hey, we just ended the Catfish Rodeo right here at the Cat Daddy's Kids Rodeo, and we had a fabulous time today. We're out here with Marilyn Mose and Jerry Loki, the owners of the fish ponds. And Jerry, you want to tell them a little bit about it?
Yeah, we invite anybody to come out at any time to fish. Kids are always free. They never pay at Cat Daddy's. And just get kids out and get them fishing, stay out video games,
Right,
keep them out of trouble, learn something about the outdoors.
Exactly.
We will help kids in any way, give them bait, show them the bait, put it on their hook, show them how to fish.
Exactly.
Just trying to give these kids the opportunity to learn how to fish for food
It's all,
and
it's
make
all,
a living.
yes, it's all about the kids, man. It's our future, and we want them to get out and outdoors. That way they can carry on their legacy, And what better way to do it than to have a kids rodeo, And they had a blast, man. We had so many fish caught. It's great.
To save
But-
the environment, you don't have to worry about nobody messing with
No.
you. It's handicapped, equipped.
Clean. I mean, it's
Family
family fun.
oriented.
There was a lot of smiles out here today, wasn't there?
Man, you gotta see, you got pictures and videos of the kids, and you wouldn't believe the faces they made when they was on there. That's what it's about, you know. Anyway,
We encourage everybody to come out here, no matter the age or circumstances or whatever. Come on out and see us.
Basically Friday evening till 1 o'clock. Saturday morning 5 a.m. till 1 a.m. in the morning. On Saturday, then we open back up at 5 a.m. Sunday morning till about 9 o'clock at night. We have bait, food, drinks, whatever. We furnish fishing poles.
Do tournaments. We have a tournament pond over here, just a regular fishing pond over there, but anybody can fish anywhere depending on what they're fishing for.
that's like the night they're having. What y'all having tonight?
All-nighters,
Team
partner,
Team tournament, and you're gonna have what kind of food you gonna have?
barbecue, ham beans, cornbread, potato salad.
That sounds like I need to come back in there and go through bread.
We're just not limited to catfish. We have crappie, bass, shellcracker,
Everything.
Thank
We
y'all for coming.
appreciate y'all coming.
We appreciate y'all having us. And I'm Danny McLeod, by the way, with Southern Woods and Water. And you can catch us again. And stay tuned.